Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another math tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to simplify algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions are fractions that have algebraic expressions in the numerator, the denominator, or both. Just like normal fractions, we can simplify them by canceling out common factors. Let's start with a simple example. X squared divided by x. Here, the numerator is x squared and the denominator is x. Since both contain the factor x, we can cancel one x from top and bottom, so x squared divided by x is equal to x. Now let's try a slightly more complex one. 6x squared y divided by 3xy. First, look for common factors. 6 and 3 have a common factor of 3x. Squared and x have a common factor of xy is common in both numerator and denominator canceling. Them step by step, 6x squared y divided by 3xy is equal to 2x. Here's another important example. See, squared minus y squared divided by x minus y. The numerator is a difference of squares. We can factorize it as open bracket x minus y close bracket multiplied by open bracket x plus y close bracket. So, the fraction becomes open bracket x minus y close bracket multiplied by open bracket x plus y close bracket divided by x minus y. Now we cancel. The common factor open bracket x minus I close bracket. The simplified result is x plus. So the key steps are: factorize the numerator and denominator if possible. Identify common factors. Cancel them carefully. Write the simplified result. That's how you simplify algebraic fractions. With practice, this will become second nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy math tutorials. See you in the next video.